Anybody here ever get angry? Me too. So today we're going to practice Volcano so that we can release our anger and feel better. So you know how there's hot lava and all of that tension in a volcano? Well, we're going to release it through our body, through our mouth. It's going to pour out of our head, and we're going to feel it rolling down our volcano and getting a lot better. Feeling a lot better. You ready? Okay, come to standing. Mountain pose. Feel it rumbling and rumbling inside your body. Make a face how you feel when you get angry and frustrated. Inhale. And erupt your volcano. Again, very slowly. Inhale. And once again, inhale. How do you feel? Awesome. Feels good? All right. Have a seat.